Welcome back to Simple Solutions Math Clinic. Today we're going to be solving a compound fraction. A compound fraction is a fraction in which we have the numerator being represented as a fraction and also the denominator being a fraction. These questions are generally found at the first question in paper 2 CXC. And let us get into it. We have 3 1/7, 3 1/7 minus 2/3, and all of that is being divided by 2 6/7. Now, what are the objectives we are challenged to carry out today? First, we're asked to subtract one fraction from another and also to divide two fractions. But before we do that, we're going to have to change our mixed numbers to improper fraction. So our 3 1/7 becomes 22/7. Our 2/3 remain as our 2/3. And because we're going to be solving that as one, we'll enclose them in parentheses. And we are going to divide all of that by 20/7. Now, our 20/7 is derived from our mixed number 2 6/7. When we subtract fractions, we need to have them with the same denominator, and common denominator here is going to be 21, because 21 is the lowest common multiple of 7 and 3. We had multiplied 7 by 3 to get 21. We're also going to multiply 22 by 3 and we're going to get 66. We had multiplied 3 by 7, we get 21. We're going to multiply 2 by 7 and we get 14. And that is still going to be divided by our 20/7. In simplifying what's in the parentheses, we get 66 minus 14 gives us 52. We have 52/21. That is to be divided by 20/7. If we remember carefully, when we divide fractions, what do? Keep it. So we have our 52/21. Change it and flip it. Now we can go ahead and see if there's any common factor in any number in the numerator and denominator. We see that 20 can be divided by 4 and 52 can also be divided by 4. If we divide 52 by 4, we get 13, and if we divide 20 by 4, we get 5. Also, 7 can be divided by 7 and 21 can be divided by 7. We divide 21 by 7, we get 3, and we divide 7 by 7, we get 1. No common factor being evident, then we are going to multiply across. So we have 13 multiplied by 1 is 13, and 3 multiplied by 5 is 15. So our answer is 13/15. Thank you very much. Hope you enjoy that.